party kapag Christmas? Go.
3. Hey, that's what I said.
Paano mo ilalarawan ang taong nasobrahan sa kape?
Mantok. Sometimes it happens.
Karaniwang peste sa bahay.
The
Bukod
ipis.
sa bawang at sibuyas, ingredient ng sinigang na baboy.
The pork itself.
Ayaw mong
What?
mahulog sa blank.
Sa kanan.
What's the last question? I don't even understand kasi nga, the fourth question was bukod sa ano yun, onions and sibuyas, name an ingredient that's part of the sinigang na baboy. I said the pork. Huh? The pork, parang that was also included na talaga in the reference question. So yeah. Come on! Or maybe dalawa sa top answer. If not 3, maybe 2 na lang.
Malaki ang mata.
Weh!
Karaniwang peste sa bahay, daga. Ay, sabi na siya. There you go.
What was the question again?
Bukod sa bawang at sibuyas, ingredient sa sinigang na baboy, kamatis. Survey?
Okay.
Ayaw mong mahulog sa kanal.
The last one is name a place where you don't want to fall down to.
City?
Yeah, pwede, kanal. If I were the one who answered that, how about a manhole? A manhole's very deep though. So yeah. Name a place.
Hi, Jerome.
A manhole.
Sir,
What?
how are you?
Kabado. Kabado pa rin.
Don't be. Kasi ibig sabihin, kalahati ng kailangan mong gawin, ginawa na ni Steve. 99. Halos kalahati. So you did
Alright,
100.
halfway there.
Very, very
99.
good.
Will they be able to get another 100 for the 200k prize? Let's find out. Let's go. Time na. Time na guys. Let's see if they can ace this.
Nakakailang plato ka ng spaghetti kapag Christmas party, Jerome. Go.
Isa.
Paano mo ilalarawan
Okay.
ang taong nasobrahan sa kape?
Di makatulog.
Karaniwang
Okay.
peste sa bahay.
Ipis.
Hey, correct.
Sibuyas, ingredient ng sinigang na baboy.
Baboy.
Yes.
Ayaw mong mahulog.
That's what I said.
sa blank.
Sa patibong.
What's a patibong anyway? I don't even know what that is. Maybe
Ayaw
that's a
mong mahulog sa
what?
patibong. Ang sabi
Maybe that's a
ng
manhole.
Ang top answer ay kanal.
I don't even know what patibong is eh.
Bukod sa
Di ko na
bawang
gets
at
yung
sibuyas,
English
ingredient
doon eh.
ng sinigang na baboy, siyempre yung baboy.
Yes, correct. Gets ko na.
Ang top answer, kamatis. Nakuha mo ni City.
Name an ingredient that is in the sinigang na baboy aside from sibuyas and garlic. I get it now.
Oh,
Come on.
anay ang top answer, anay.
What's an anay? I don't even know what that is.
Walang taong nasobrahan sa kape, hindi makatulog. Ang sabi na
Okay.
Top
Very
answer,
great.
32 to go, nakakailang plato ko ng spaghetti. Isa.
Sayang. Pero I bet dalawa could be the top answer. Pero we'll see about that. Surprise na lang if that could be 32 or more. Kaya mo yan. We need the number 32. And wow!
Wow!
I thought 2 were the top answer. Or 3. Yun pala, isang pot of spaghetti lang. Busog ka na agad. For Christmas.
Congratulations.
Hanep! Hanep, 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 hanep.
Wow.
Hanep, 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 hanep. Hanep,
Grabe.
hanep, hanep,
Kala ko wala na.
Hanep.
30 plus.
Hanep.
Galing naman, Jerome.
hanep!
Congratulations.
Galing!